Hey chickies, welcome back for another video. Today we're going to be talking all about July obsessions. These are the best of the best for the whole entire month, beauty, lifestyle. So I hope you stick around for today's video. If you're new here, I'm Christine. I curate beauty, lifestyle, as well as raw vlogs. I would greatly appreciate it if you please subscribe to my channel. I would absolutely love it if you'd be a part of the Chickie crew. Also, don't forget to hit that bell to be notified of new videos. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer so far. I can't believe that it is slowly coming to an end. Comment below what is your favorite season of the year. So we're gonna kind of do first the accessory stuff. And I have been super obsessed with the belt bags. Now I did a whole video where I shared with you what's inside my bag. I'm gonna link that video right up here in the card area in case you haven't seen it. Never thought I would be into the whole belt bag trends. Hello Kitty times Herschel Supply Co. I believe this is called the 15 belt bag. I have this one, which is from their first collection. At least last time I checked it, it was still available on the website. Everything I'm going to mention in today's video will be linked down below. The one I'm finally going to bring out today that I'm going to wear is this really pretty mauve pink blush. Newest collection. Love how it's available in different colors. Plus, you can definitely fit a bunch of stuff in here. They're quite affordable. I know there are some collaborations with Hello Kitty where it's like the price point is pretty steep, but I think for these belt bags, they're reasonably priced. I'm obsessed with just dainty jewelry. I love dainty pieces. From the brand Noellity, it's a gemstone ring, and these are all handmade. Since they are handmade, you can have it customized to your ring size. Let me take it off so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. I'm going to link it down below as well. If you live in the Valencia area, I know that these gemstone rings are now available. TY Cam Marketplace at the Westfield Valencia Town Center in case if you live here in Southern California. If you are into dainty rings, highly recommend this one because it's really well made. Plus, I also enjoy supporting other businesses. If you guys follow me on Instagram, if you are not, definitely make sure you follow me. My handle is TwilightChick143. On my Insta story, beginning of the month, had kind of shared that I got attacked by a bunch of mosquitoes. 10 mosquito bites on each leg. The worst part was really the fact how my mosquito bites turned really bright maroon. I had this brilliant idea of covering up my mosquito bites. This was my lifesaver. It's the Profusion Pro Conceal Contour Palette. Mine's like a mess, but this is the only palette I have that has the color correcting concealers. First, I used the green corrector to kind of counteract the maroon color, the redness. I went over with caramel because my legs have really tanned. Blended it in, and then I actually set it with, I believe it's medium bronzer. I even showed my husband and he told me, wow, it looks so much better than how it did before. I wanted just to quickly kind of cover it up so it just didn't look terrible. From the brand L'Oreal, and this is the Beach Bae Face and Body Illuminator. I have the shade 22 Medium Deep. This is part of their limited summer edition. Definitely gives the skin more of like a bronzy glow. It has some shimmer in it. It gives the body a sheen. I'm wearing it actually on my décolleté, on my collarbone, chest area, shoulders. The only con I would say to this product is that because it does give the skin a bronzy glow, this will leave a mark on your clothing if you don't let it properly set first. Give it like 5 minutes to let it set into the skin. Another thing to note about this is that it does have a little bit of like a sticky feel to it. It's not like a dry body oil where it quickly absorbs. So you can feel a little bit of it like being tacky. So if you're not really a fan of that, then this might not be a product for you. However, I just personally like the way how it looks. I love the bronzy glow it gives to my skin, and it's also quite affordable. The L'Oreal Blush Please Shimmering Blush. This is in the shade Blushing Riviera. It's the blush that I'm currently wearing today. I think I said blush a whole bunch of times. It's this kind of like corally pinky blush that has a bit of like a sheen and some shimmer to it. Almost reminds me a bit of Coralista from Benefit in a way. However, Coralista is a little bit more on the peachy side. This definitely is more of like corally peachy pink. I think it's absolutely beautiful for the summer. The eyeshadow palette that I have not been able to stop using since the time I mentioned it, I think it was like the end of June. It is the one from Pixi by Petra. This is the Pixi Plus Heart Defensor eyeshadow palette called Double Tap. It is such a beautiful palette. It has a lot of these really gorgeous warm tones. You have primarily some shimmers in here, as well as I believe it's 3 matte eyeshadows. These are the shadows that I'm wearing today on the eyes. I always found myself going back to this eyeshadow palette. I'm definitely a person who's very drawn to warmer tone palettes. One of my favorite colors is absolutely beautiful, almost like a tangerine. It's like an orange with yellow. It almost reminds me of a flame in a way. And it is a shimmer, so it looks beautiful when the sun hits it. I'm wearing it today on the inner eye corners because I kind of wanted to switch it up a bit. This was in the BoxyCharm July box. It's the Luxie 246 Precision crease brush. The thing I love the most about this brush is because it is super tiny. It's really great if you want to get in there and get really precise when applying your shadow, which I found was really helpful. I used it today to create this look. It just gets really precise. That's like one of the things I really like about it. It came in a trio set. I think it came with a foundation brush as well as a blending brush, but this is like the one that really stood out for me. An eyeliner. Now this is from the brand L'Oreal. It's called the Flash Cat Eye by Infallible. The really cool thing about this is that it even has a stencil. It's what I've been using to create my wing. I filmed a whole review waterproof test on it. If you haven't seen it, check out this video right over here. It did surprise me. I had my doubts about it. Go check out that video if you're curious on how it performed and if it really was waterproof. Schick Intuition, but it's the Hello Kitty collaboration. It's available in 2 different colors. This really beautiful kind of like a teal color. They also have a pink. It comes with, I believe, 4 other refill cartridges. Cool thing about this shaver is that it has an outer layer, kind of acts like a shaving gel, so it kind of coats your legs where you don't need to apply a soap. Help you get a close shave without cutting yourself. It also helps moisturize your legs, and I also really appreciate how big the handle is so that you get a good grip on it. So let me know, have you guys tried out any of these products? Comment below your obsessions for the month. What should I check out next at the drugstore? I would love to get your feedback. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it helpful. If you did, please make sure you give it a like. Subscribe if you already haven't to be a part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, Chickie, so much for watching. Have an amazing, wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah.